Hey everybody, you've seen all my Florida videos. Hope everybody's doing good. Like I said, I'm trying to get back in the swing of things. I got back kind of ecstatic about, psyched up because I got to spend some time in Florida and all. And so I've been messing with the truck. I just uncovered it and stuff. I'm getting ready to start it up and let it run for a while because I haven't done it in a while. And the thing about old vehicles, actually any vehicle, you need to crank it up, let it run on a regular basis, and actually drive it and use it. Otherwise, they fall apart. They slowly but surely just destroy themselves because the vehicles are made to be run. So I'm gonna crank it up, run it up. Um, the events and stuff, the locations and stuff I got to go to in Florida were awesome. The only one I didn't get to go to, which is I'm gonna work on next time, was the cat lady's house. And what a lot of people don't realize is they actually used a famous house as the cat lady's residence. What it was is that if you actually Google Ma Barker, you'll see the Ma Barker and the Barker Boys. I think there's another name of the gang that was involved with it, but it's known. The house was known for one of the longest, basically, standoffs that this particular mother and son had with the FBI. They had Tommy guns. They were shooting, but it's one of the longest standoffs they had in FBI history. But that was the actual house they used as the cat house from Jeepers Creepers. So it's actually been moved from the original location to a place down in Florida called Carney Island, and I'm going to get permission the next time I go. They've got it all sectioned off. Apparently somebody went down there and vandalized the house, so they had everything. Because of COVID, they had the house shut away from people and they didn't give anybody access to it. And I went down there, and let me tell you, I tried and tried. The only thing I didn't do was do an illegal recon up there. The only reason I didn't sneak up there and do it is because I'm used to doing that kind of stuff, because I did that when I was in the military. So I could definitely have done it. But the thing about it is, if I snuck up there, made a video, took pictures, not damaged anything, not went in, done anything, just from the outside, this video would have been the evidence of me trespassing. So I didn't really want to get arrested for trespassing. So, but I do have some calls in some people, and the next time I'm down there, which will be soon, hopefully, everything will go. If it goes the right way, we're actually we're going to be doing some type of screening of the video at the diner. I think around the 28th of August, if everything goes correctly. But around that weekend, I'm going to have me in costume and one of the main stars from Jeepers Creepers 1, as you see behind me. We're going to be there, and we're going to be driving the truck in the same locations, filming. It's probably going to be a interesting thing. If there's a bunch of people want to meet down there, hey, the more the merrier, because I met a few people and talked to a whole bunch of people when I was down there. I enjoyed it because I'm a fan. So but that's going to be one thing coming up. I think I have a con coming up in May that I might be doing possibly around Fayetteville, North Carolina. When I get more exact dates and times, I'll definitely make a video talking about it. But what we're going to do, golly, I love looking at my truck. Okay, I'm geeking out again, which is kind of silly. So we are going to hop up in the truck, and I'm gonna try to do this without busting my butt because it's a little muddy out. Okay, so we're gonna angle back a little bit. I'll make sure we're not in gear, because if I start it up, I'll go directly towards that tree, and let me tell you, that would not be a good thing. So we're gonna pull the clutch in, pull the choke back. Take the clutch out, because we're not in gear. Got a temperature gauge going on. Got a fuel gauge. Some of the stuff you see, I've got to do a little bit of touching up, get it put it back. Some of the stuff I haven't quite got repainted and stuff. I got some stuff. I got some stuff being stored in the truck right now. So, cranking it up, warming it up, that kind of thing. Like I said, you have to do that in the vehicle, so otherwise they get messed up. But I got really got psyched up and stuff whenever I was down there going to all the filming locations. It was a lot of fun. I'm not sure how good you can hear me. The truck's still running good. We'll put it back on a little bit. So, yeah, it's like I said, this is the inside of the truck. All the weapons up there still. Of course, y'all have seen lots of videos of the inside of the truck and the weapons and everything. This is kind of a neat perspective here, because my goal is to start making videos of me pulling up to somewhere, looking out this view right here, as far as the outside the driver's side window, and maybe go through. Everybody's talking about you need to go through drive-thrus and get reactions, so we're definitely going to do that. I'm gonna just go ahead and start making more videos of me dressed in costume and stuff. You know, y'all made it very clear with the 1 million views on that other one where I get and basically the creeper goes and picks his truck up at the automobile shop. We're gonna do some more like that. I thought that was a lot of fun. And the interesting part about that video is I should have kept and made video the rest of the way home, because whenever I took the truck home, I cut the video from when y'all saw it, and it's the video I'm talking about is the creeper takes his truck back. And so when I drove home, I just, you know, I went back and said bye to everybody and got my stuff together and loaded up, and I drove in costume all the way back home. So I'm riding down the road and people were freaking out. I need to get a film crew with me and literally just try to get them to follow me in a car and get video of people with their phones out, because the second I get in the vehicle, especially when I was in costume, one of the nights I was actually coming back from the haunted attraction, the 901 Nightmare. I was coming back, and it's probably about 1:30, 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm riding along, and I pull up at a stoplight, and I'm the only vehicle there, and a carload of ladies pulls up beside me, and let me tell you, I heard, "Oh Jesus! Oh my God! Oh my God!" It was funny. They were screaming. They run a red light to get away from me. So anyway, but there's lots of more stuff like that I plan on doing. I've just got back in the truck today and starting to get some stuff lined up. But anyway, I'm gonna end this one for now. Thank you for watching. I truly mean that. Thank you very much for watching. My channel is going to pick up. I'm going to try to put at least do 100% one video a week, maybe 2 if I can come up with something. I want to have content that you're interested in watching, not me. Okay, I'm over here and I'm touching the truck and I'm moving this, and I don't want to be boring and monotonous. But I could do a lot of different stuff, but not everything involves around the truck all the time. So I just don't want to be, like I said, I don't want to be monotonous to where you're like, I'm bored out of my mind. But anyway, like I said, I'm going to end this one for now. Thank you for watching, and like, share, subscribe.